So hi friends, this is Amit and in this video I will talk about the most important topic related to BIT Triple E Counseling 2021. That is particularly I will focus on three topics, that is branch versus campus, whether you should go for the branch priority or you should go for the campus priority. And the next point will be CSE versus CSE specialization. Many students ask me that please make a comparison video for CSE and CSE specialization, whether you should go for computer science core branch or you can take the computer science specialization branch also, that is data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning and many other also are present. So if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe the channel because I will provide you all the information about BIT Triple E counseling and other counseling also, so that you can do your counseling in a better way. So try to subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends so that they can also take the good decision for themselves. But before starting this video, I would like to inform you that I have already made the video, that is category 1, 2, 3 cutoff for VIT Vellore campus and Chennai campus, and I have already made the video that is branch wise placement record of VIT Vellore and branch wise placement record of VIT Chennai campus, and you can check all those videos that I have uploaded in the I button as well as in the description box. You will get the link. So let's start the video. So here is the branch versus campus. So this is a very important comparison because many students find themselves confusing at the time of counseling whether to go for the better branch or whether to go for the better campus, that is VIT Vellore campus or VIT Chennai campus or other campuses. And this video can help other student also who want to do this type of comparison for an IT college or any other type of private college. So here is the first point: branch is more important than your campus. So this is the true statement. Once you go into the college, you will find this statement is true, but it has some type of condition. So that condition I will talk later in this video. Branch will with you all life, but campus not. Campus will with you only 4 years, but the branch that you will study in the 4 years, you have to do the work related to that branch only. Your professional career will depend on the branch. So I think the branch is more important than the campus because campus will with you only 4 years, but branch will with you all the life. So the next point, go for branch if you have interest in a branch. That is, if you are interested in CSE, then go for the CSE. No matter interest in a particular branch, then go for it. I am not saying that you should get to a very lower college, but the college should be decent. But then it came to your branch, that branch should be the best that you are looking for, because after all, because it's all about your interest in which you want to study and in which you have to work in your career. Choose the best campus if you don't have a positive mindset. That means if you don't have a clear mindset that I have to choose this branch, because many students find themselves that they are happy with any type of branch. They are just want to get the best campus. So I would suggest those students should get into the best campus so that they can get good atmosphere, so that they can explore themselves more, because good campus is very necessary for those students who do not have self belief. Confidence is not as high as others. So I would suggest then you should go with the better campus. In this case, for VIT counseling, go for the VIT Vellore campus because that can give you a good exposure. So the next point is you can interchange in tech or core branches, but not in between. Here is a typing mistake. So this statement means you can interchange the tech branch. That means if you are looking for CS branch, then you can take the CSE specialization, IT or EC, but not do the compromise, like if you are interested in CSE and you are taking the admission in the civil branch or mechanical branch, because you are not able to pay the extra fee or your rank is not supporting you. So these things will not help, because your interest in CSE and now you are going for the mechanical. So how you will study and how you will work in your life with those things in which you are not interested. So this is all about this video, branch versus campus comparison I have done. So I think this video and the information of this video will help many students to choose the best option for themselves. And I will suggest, if you are paying 2 lakh or 3 lakh, then go for extra 50,000 or 1 lakh. Then if your interest is in a particular branch and you are getting after paying extra money, so that will help you only. This is all about this video. Thanks for watching this video. Try to subscribe the channel so that you will get other videos also. Thanks.